Okay, so I had a request from a person in my comment section on how to install this hour meter. It's pretty simple. It was due for an oil change. It's at almost 110 hours. So I'll give you a quick rundown on how this is installed, and I can leave a link in the description too. The hour meter itself is stuck onto the generator with double-sided tape, and that comes with it, and it has this wire. And how I did it is stuck the unit on there, and I pulled up the spark plug access port and fished the wire down inside. And then to get in the inside, there are 3 Phillips screws on the top here to remove. So I'll take those out first. And then on the bottom, down here, hopefully you can see that, and I'll back the camera up a little bit. On the bottom here is a 10mm bolt. Take that out, and to get the panel off, just pull up at the top, and once you have it free from the frame, pull up. There are 3 tabs that go into corresponding little slots here, so when you put it back on, I forgot this part, there's also little clips here that have to line up right there, so it's a bit of a trick to get everything lined up when you put it back on. Just make sure you get everything snapped or put into place. So enough of that. So take the camera off. This wire, fish it down to the spark plug hole, and they have instructions that come with it. If you can see that, hopefully you can see that. What you do is the wire coming from the hour meter gets wrapped around the spark plug wire going to the engine, and then you use a small zip tie to hold it on there. And basically just they show you there's a certain way they want you to do it. You wrap it around there and then zip tie it on, and that's about it. It's pretty simple. It's got the sticky back, stick it on there, run it in here to the spark plug wire, wrap it, and then zip tie it. This will probably eventually, I'll drill a little hole in it so I can run the wire through there and put this back in place, but I've been too lazy to do that. So hopefully that gives you an idea. It's really simple, no big fanfare, and this unit I got from eBay. I think it was about $8 or something like that. So that's my little tutorial on installing the hour meter on my WEN generator.